IGP Egbetokun Vows Impartiality in upcoming Edo Governorship election.
We are not out to arrest members of any political party. This is not the first state the police will be involved in an election.
In Benin City, Inspector General of Police Kayode Egbetokun has made a strong commitment to ensure a fair and impartial electoral process for the upcoming Edo State governorship election. Speaking at a peace accord signing event, Egbetokun stated, "We recognize the importance of this moment and the trust placed in us to protect the integrity of this election. We will remain impartial, professional, and vigilant while providing a level playing ground for political parties and their candidates." The peace accord, initiated by National Peace Committee under the leadership of former military head of state Abubakar Abdusalami, aims to foster a peaceful election environment. While most parties signed the agreement, including the APC's Monday Okpebolo and Labour Party's Olumide Apata, the PDP and its candidates Asui Igodalu chose not to participate. Egbetokun called on all stakeholders to prioritize peace throughout the electoral process, saying, "Let's work together to create a conducive environment for a free, fair, and peaceful election, where every voter can exercise their right without fear or intimidation." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we bring you more updates on the Edo Governorship elections.